Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate double tap feature on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to activate the double tap feature on your device provides an alternative method for performing actions or accessing features quickly and conveniently. For example, enabling double tap to wake allows you to wake up your device screen by tapping it twice, which can be more convenient than pressing the power button. Similarly, double tap to sleep allows you to put your device to sleep without reaching for the power button. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Settings app on your device. Okay, so in this page, scroll down please and then select Advanced Features option. Well, and now look for Motion and Gestures menu. So tap on it. Okay, lastly, you can activate the double tap feature by turn these toggles on. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to activate double tap feature on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.